Who doesn't love a rear-wheel drive two-door Japanese sports car? You've seen them plenty of times. People make them into drift cars and they're highly tunable. They've a 2-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine. Yeah, naturally aspirated. I don't know, I couldn't believe it myself. The car makes 200 brake horsepower, which actually is a little bit light in my opinion, but it's proper fun to drive. You'll have serious amount of crack on the back roads with this one. If you put this thing on coilovers, added a body kit and maybe stage 3 tuning, you're looking at a little race car. Love to see more cars like this on the road. If you like what you see, come on down the shop.